19-year-old Portia Nobula is from the Mbire area near Zimbabwe's border with Zambia and Mozambique. She says she was raped at 15 on her way from school, became pregnant, and then was forced to marry her attacker.
Our marriage was never my will. I was forced by my parents. I was very brilliant at school, and I was messed up by men.
Her case is not unusual, say children's advocates.
The major cause of child marriages here is that children walk long distances to school, some 12 or 13 kilometers each way. So a child ends up leaving school, and since there is nothing like training in woodwork or sewing, she ends up being married.
Advocates and non-profit groups are working with the government to reduce child marriage in Mbire in Mashonaland Central Province, where more than half the girls get married before they turn 18.
We are doing awareness campaigns at gatherings like these as one way to reduce the problem of child marriages. We do these campaigns with parents and girls, as well as teach them about their sexual and reproductive rights.
Traditional leaders are accused of promoting the practice or turning a blind eye to it. Chief Chitsungo, a traditional leader here, says he is punishing parents who marry off their children by fining them.
You take a child to the hospital when a child falls sick. It's the child's right. So we meet regularly with parents, and also there are non-governmental groups doing awareness campaigns.
Legal experts say a new law criminalizing child marriage should help combat the problem.
There were gaps and loopholes that existed in terms of when exactly a person could contract into a marriage legally. So by extension, however, there is need for the Criminal Law and Codification Reform Act to introduce a clear law that stipulates child marriages as an offense and also introduces sentencing guidelines for perpetrators of child marriages.
Portia Nobula is hoping other girls will not have to endure what she has. Those convicted under the new child marriage law face up to 10 years in prison, though advocates for children's rights are pushing for a harsher sentence. Mavhunga for VOA News, Mbire, Zimbabwe.